That's my guy. Let's go. After my first box. Orlando, hello. Fly, hello. Oh. Last 10, hello. Jadon, you wait for me, okay? All right, after live chat. Yes, wait for me. Amang, hello. Paulo, kamusta? David, hello. Batman, ano na? Paambog, hello. Hi, Doc. How are you, Doc? Hi, Richard. Maxwell, hello. That guy, hello. How are you, that guy? Jadon, do you know Dragon Babo? 17. Power 17. Hi, good afternoon. ZN, what is that? It's a gift, Jadon. I want to play this. Can you try this? It's 400. This is. The name is, it's Dragon Bubble. It's possible to win 10K. 17. How are you, 17? Kamusta? Hi, Raul. Raul, how are you doing? Good afternoon. Hi, hello. How are you? Are you feeling good today? I am good. Where are you from? I am from Philippines. Sally, hello. Saan sa Manila? Secret. Baka puntahan mo ako. Where are you from, Rahul? Sa Pasay. Hi, Joel. Raul, where are you from? Do you have WhatsApp, Raul? Hi, Dad. Raul, do you have the WhatsApp? Eric. Yes, can you send it to me in the inbox so I will message you? I will message you there. Jadon, did you see? Did you see Jadon? Can you try one? I think we will win 10K today. You won 10K if you try. Wait. The name is Dragon Bubble. Dean, hello. What's funny, Dean? Jadon, you try it na. Try what? The Dragon Bubble. I already said to you, right? This. You tried this. You tried that. Raul, did you see my message? You will see in the in the treasure box. Baroy, hello. Sumbong da ka pa akong Elsa. Kinobi, hello. Bisa ka masumbong kang Elsa? Na? O tabisa ka masumbong? Bank, hello. Sumbong da kasi yan. One man, hello. Try mo na yung Dragon Bubble din. Guys, you tap this what if? Aslan, hello. Tre, hello. One man, hello. Tre, what are you doing, Tre? Hi, Tre. How are you, Tre? Hi, how are you doing? Chilling. You don't have work today, Tre. Oo, pero mo na ako rin-applyan. Good, and you? I am good, so. You followed me back, Tre. Do you have WhatsApp? I'm just chilling. Yes. Send it to me in the inbox, your WhatsApp. You followed me back first. Then I will message you there. Okay, I will. Okay, thank you. Already. Yeah, you send your WhatsApp in the inbox.